Hello everyone, this is Mazhar Ali Dootio and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we embark on a journey that goes beyond borders and religious divides, delving into the rich history of Sindh as a beacon of unity among diversity. So friends, join us as we uncover the stories of Sindh and Sindhi people who across the globe embody the values of secularism, peace, interfaith harmony, and shared humanity. If the essence of interfaith harmony rings with you, share our content, express your thoughts in the comment section, and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming videos. Friends, Sindh, with its admired history tracing back to the Indus civilization, emerges as a beacon of interfaith harmony. In this cradle of civilization, the Sindhi people weave together threads of unity, diversity, and strength into a cultural tapestry that stands as a testament to shared humanity. Interfaith harmony, at its core, refers to coexistence, mutual respect, and understanding among individuals from different religious backgrounds. It is a celebration of diversity and commitment to fostering unity despite varying beliefs. In the context of Sindh, interfaith harmony is not merely a concept but a living reality. The significance of interfaith harmony in Sindh lies in its ability to transcend religious divides, uniting Sindhi people, whether Muslim, Hindu, Christian, Sikh, or Parsi, or any other, in a shared commitment to love, peace, and acceptance. This unity is exemplified in whole Sindh, where mosques and temples, girjaghar, mandir stand side by side, and festivals like Eid, Diwali, Holi, Christmas, and other festivals are celebrated collectively. In Sindh, interfaith harmony is not just a virtue, it is the very fabric of a societal coexistence, weaving a unified tapestry that showcases the strength derived from embracing diversity. Sindh's significance lies not only in its historical antiquity but in its continuous role as a crossroads of diverse cultures. The legacy of the Indus Valley Civilization, combined with the influences of subsequent civilizations, has shaped Sindh into a region that cherishes its rich heritage and embraces the coexistence of varied traditions. Historically, Sindh has been a cradle of interfaith harmony, influenced by the teaching of Sufi saints like Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, Sachal Sarmast, Sami, and several others. The Sufi tradition in Sindh emphasized universal love, transcending religious boundaries and creating a cultural atmosphere where dialogue and understanding flourished. Friends, throughout its history, Sindh welcomed scholars and practitioners from various faiths, fostering an environment where ideas and beliefs were shared and respected. The historical perspective of Sindh is one of a region that valued coexistence, echoing the sentiment that diversity not a source of conflict, but a tapestry that enriches the human experience. The significance of interfaith harmony in Sindh goes beyond coexistence. It is a dynamic force that fosters unity among diversity. It serves as a bridge that connects people from different faiths, allowing them to not only tolerate but appreciate and celebrate the unique contributions of each tradition. In a world where divisive influences may seek to disrupt the delicate balance of religious coexistence, the significance of interfaith harmony in Sindh becomes even more pronounced. Sindhi people, throughout their resilience and commitment to unity, stand as a living example of how shared values can counteract external pressures. Friends, Sindhi people all over the globe are peaceful and believe in interfaith harmony. However, nowadays, in the face of external influences attempting to impose rigid religious ideologies in Sindh, the intrinsic strength of Sindhi culture prevails. Sindh, with its deep rooted Sufi thoughts and long standing interfaith harmony, acts as a barrier against efforts to disrupt its harmonious coexistence. The resistance is notably reflected in the political arena where the election outcomes demonstrate a collective choice by Sindhi people to uphold their inclusive cultural values. The fact that no religious figure has won election in Sindh underscore the commitment of its people to safeguard the Sufi ethos and interfaith unity against divisive forces from outside the region. Sindh, shaped by its historical significance and nature of its people, stands as a living testament to the possibilities of interfaith harmony. As mosques and temples stand together and festivals are shared with joy, Sindhi people exemplify the values of love, peace, and humanity. This unity, merged through diverse beliefs, stands as a powerful example inspiring the world towards a harmonious coexistence. So, friends, Sindhi people dispersed across the globe carry with them the essence of secularism and unwavering belief in interfaith harmony, socialization, love, and peace from the ancient times of Mohenjo-daro. But before the Mohenjo-daro, even to the present, Sindhi communities have been messenger of these values, embodying a peaceful coexistence that transcends religious and geographical boundaries. The Sindhi diaspora stands as a testament to a cultural legacy rooted in the principles of unity, diversity, interfaith harmony, and shared humanity. Thank you for engaging with this narrative on the enduring spirit of Sindhi culture and interfaith harmony. If you found this video insight meaningful, kindly share it with others who may appreciate its message. We value your opinions, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment box below. For more enriching content, subscribe to our channel. Together, let's continue fostering a world marked by unity, diversity, and a celebration of shared humanity. Thank you. Stay blessed. Take care.
दिलकश हर मंजर जन सार